What up, everybody? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we pull in, well, we're not pulling, the motor's already pulled, but we're going to be prepping the car to get painted. It's going to be another case swap, but I'm going to show you guys the reason why we case swap cars these days, especially these MR2s. Look at this janky shit. I'm not even going to do that. Just look at this shit right here. So look at this. This dude was rolling around in this car like this. Look at these axles. No, I think you guys can see that right there. Look at this. The axle wasn't even on there. That's how we pulled it out the car. We didn't take anything off or anything like that. This dude had the axle on there like that, probably wondering why it was vibrating. 3S GTE, by the way, a little a turbo Toyota motor. Look at this. Look at the gasket right there. That's how the turbo gasket was on the manifold between the turbo. That thing was sketchy. And the exhaust. No hangers, had a hole in it. I can't believe this dude was riding around like this, man, and survived. I can't believe it. This was horrible. Well, the turbo looked like it's going bad, like it got oil in there. So, I don't know. My buddy pulled this out, and guess he's gonna sell it. But we're gonna case swap the MR2 that this one came out of. I don't really know how people keep these in their cars, because this is like, it's so cluttered inside the engine bay. It's like super cluttered, but it is what it is. But this was super janky, man. The leak right there, leak in the exhaust, axle about to fall off, and this motor needs some work. Hope they refresh it before they put it back in there. But yeah, today we're gonna prep this engine bay on another car that we're gonna case swap. Well, he's gonna case swap. I'm just here hanging out. So let's get to it. Guys here making all this damn noise. I won't freaking not doing anything. Just making a mess on the floor. Look at that. It's a mess. This car was horrible. Look at this. Look at this shit. Rust. Well, not really rusted through, but it was like fucking dirt. Look at this. What type of mud and stuff back here? People don't be taking care of their cars, but then they want $15,000 for a freaking 93 turbo. Get out of here with that.
Perfect.
Alright, what's about to happen is we're about to get it off the jack. About the lift, not the jack stands. We used to be in jack stands because I'm at home and I got jack stands at home. We're going to take it off the lift and then we're going to roll it out. We're going to wash it out outside. And then he's going to push it back in here and paint the bay. He don't want to be on camera because he's shy, so I won't put him on camera. He's like super shy, he's like nervous. Probably running from the FBI or something. He's Russian, so I'm just playing. To anybody that's on here, any fans, any followers, any subscribers that are Russian, I was just joking. I was seriously joking. Don't take it too personal. But we're going to get it down and then roll it outside and then wash the bay out. These wheels, ugly. Put those on the car. Look at this. This is what I was talking about. Dirty. People don't be taking care of their cars, man. Like, you guys got to do better. Got these tools. well. It's cold as shit. It's cold up here in Washington and raining. It's raining today, but we ended up cleaning it up. Here's how it looks. We ended up cleaning it up. Look a lot better than it did before. Back here is still rusted. We're gonna paint it, but this one's gonna be the Jswap one. That black one is gonna be the K Turbo. So we're gonna make this one the Jswap, but we're gonna prep it and paint it. I probably won't be here much longer to see it painted. I'll probably come back and show you guys some more after it's painted or something like that. But it looks pretty clean. Not as dirty as it was before. Oh man, these wheel and tire combo right here is what I'm gonna be putting on mine. I'm gonna still keep the wheels I have for some street, not street, but like for go to like a show or cruise or something. But this is gonna be my street killers, man. I'll get some of these put on my car. They're fairly reasonably priced, so. But this is what we're doing, and this is what we do. Just mess around with cars, MR2s. I like to do other cars as well, not just MR2s. So you guys come back, check out the channel. For today, this will probably be it. I'll probably close out the vlog here soon. I got a special surprise coming for you guys too, so make sure you guys stay posted and wait. We got a special guest in the near future that'll be on here. Alright everyone, well I'm closing out this vlog. You guys saw all what we done to that car. It wasn't much in this vlog today, but we were just prepping that car for a Jswap. So that's what's going to happen to that MR2. It's going to get a Jswap in it, so more to come on that. But I was really disappointed in the quality of how people keep their cars, more so that car. Like the owner of that car, I don't know who you are. I don't really care to know, but I'm just saying, like, it's just shitty that someone could have a car that has so much potential and they just run it into the ground like that. I'm happy that, you know, it's being restored and it's gonna go to someone that will probably take care of it from now on. So really happy for that. But that'll be it for this vlog. Like, share, subscribe, come back again, check me out, and check out the storefront and buy a sticker, and shirts are coming soon, so make sure you do that for me. Support. Thank you. Peace.